back to my channel. So as you can see from the title of the video, today is going to be a DIY, and I'm pretty excited for this because it is back to school season. You guys know that I always try to go all out with DIYs for back to school. However, this year we are in a pandemic, so it's just like, what are we supposed to do? Like, am I supposed to get school supplies, or like, what goes on? Because everything is going to be online, you know, if you still want to take traditional notes, I got you with the notebooks. I thought these turned out really cute, and I also get a lot of comments being like,
hey, you know, like, I would make these DIYs, but like at the same time, I don't want to get judged.
and I'm like, well, sweetie, you're gonna be home for most part, especially this school year, so you can make any type of notebook you want and make it look really cute without getting judged, because nobody else is gonna see it but you. So, and that's on period. No, but like seriously, you know, just make it for yourself and don't worry about what other people say. Yeah, I hope that you guys will end up enjoying the DIY, but yeah, I think we should just get straight on into it, so yeah.
Alright, so for the first DIY, you're going to be needing a notebook, a picture of your choice, some cardstock paper, double-sided tape, and some stationery. With the cardstock paper, I'm just going to go ahead and put it onto the inside of the notebook so I can go ahead and trace the cover. And once you've done that, just go ahead and cut it out. And once you're done, go ahead and take some double-sided tape and just tape it onto the front of the cover. You could also use hot glue gun, but I decided to just use double-sided tape since I thought it would be easier. Now with just an image of your choice, and I decided to use this Polaroid that I printed out of Namjoon. He looks so cute. I'm just going to put it onto the front, and now with some like decorations, some washi tape, I'm just gonna place it where I would like it and think it would look fit. And now with a bunch of like stationery, you could use any type of stickers you want, but yeah, this is just how I ended up decorating mine. So I guess you could say this is like a polka inspired notebook, and I thought it turned out really cute. Obviously you could design it the way you would like it, but this is how I made it, and I honestly really like how it turned out. This is probably my favorite out of all of the designs, but yeah, just go ahead and design to your heart's desire. And once you've designed it to how you liked it, you're pretty much done. And yeah, I don't know what else to say, but this is just really nice, and I'm obsessed.
I'm sorry that I never called. I swear 하루 왼종일 전화 생각만
So to start off the next DIY, I just went on to Google and searched up the pastel night sky because that is aesthetics. But yeah, I searched up backgrounds, and there are a wide range of stuff to choose from, but this is just an example of what I ended up doing. So I just went onto Photoscape and went ahead and cropped the image that I chose to 3x4, and once you're done, just go ahead and crop it. Now with the insert tool, I'm gonna go ahead and add some text, and this is just basically going to be the text for the cover. And once you found your desired font, just go ahead and write whatever you want. I chose I Do Believe You Galaxy. This part is optional, but I went ahead and transformed the font. As you can see here, there are like a bunch of ways to like morph, I guess you could say, the text, and I went for like the flag option. Then you can go ahead and resize it as well. And once you're done, just go ahead and press OK and just move it to where you would like it. And that is pretty much the design. Go ahead and save it and go ahead and print it out, and this is what the final one looked like. And I decided to use it on like a 6-ring binder, or notebook I should say, and they did include some templates on the inside, so I went ahead and just used that as a tracing tool. And once that is done, just go ahead and cut it out. And now with a ring hole punch, oh my god, Rainer, but yeah, a hole punch, go ahead and use your hole punch to cut out the holes, and pretty much go ahead and put it back into the notebook. And I thought this turned out really cute. You could honestly just use this for your bullet journaling as well, and also this is optional, but I decided to add an image of BTS. But yeah, this is really cute. I love it. For the last notebook idea, I'm going to go ahead and use this website called Spotify Codes. I'll leave it down in the description box. But basically, you're just going to be going to your Spotify and you're going to be choosing whatever song you would like. I went for BTS because this is BTS DIY. But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and choose a song and you're going to go ahead and copy the song link. Now go back onto the website and paste the link onto there and then press on Get Spotify Code and then it will give you a custom Spotify code, which we love. And you can also change the colors of it. As you can see, I'm just trying to see what color looks cute and whatnot. So once you find a different color or something that you like, you could also change the actual code itself, but go ahead and download it once you're done. And now through Photoscape, I'm gonna go ahead and open up a new project and it's going to be the size of 1242 by 1656. Now through the insert tool, I'm just gonna go ahead and add all of the codes that I downloaded. And I'm just going to place them in a way that would look nice for a notebook. And once you are satisfied with the placement and everything, just go ahead and save it and print it out according to the size of your notebook. Once that is printed out, just go ahead and take a notebook and go ahead and trace the cover. And now with some double-sided tape like the other DIY, just go ahead and tape it onto there and you are pretty much done. And now for the ultimate test, we are going to see if it works with actual Spotify. So I just opened up Spotify on my phone. So basically you're just going to click on the camera and you just put it onto the code. Oh my god, it's not showing. But yes, we love.
Alright my friends, so that is the end of the DIY. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys do end up recreating them, please do let me know and tag me on your social medias. I would love to see your wonderful recreations. But yeah, if you guys have any more DIY ideas that you guys would like me to try, please do let me know in the comments. Also make sure to follow me on my social media. Follow me on TikTok. I'm surprised that it's still not banned, but you know, we out here and we thriving. So, and yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed it and I will just see you guys again soon. I hope that you all are staying safe and know that we will get through this together. So, yeah, I will see you guys again soon, friends. Alright, bye!
Two things on my mind, I'm getting you and music, you said we should be. 할 수 있어 널 볼 수 있다면 got me singing